area of a triangle. How many sides does a triangle have? 3. Very good. So let's just draw our basic triangle here. All right. All right. Does anybody know what we call this type of triangle? It has a special name. Does anybody know the special name of the triangle? If you remember. Anybody? Oh, yes. A right triangle. Why did Jesse call it a right triangle?
Because there's a right angle.
Yeah, right there. You see this little box? All around the world, this little box means a right angle. Does anybody know what number is a right angle? 90. So that means 90 degrees. Very good. All right, cool, cool. So you see, you have all this information in the brain, and I love it. We're going to use it. All right. 5 centimeters, 8 centimeters, and 10 centimeters. Now, I gave you all the numbers. All these numbers. Does anybody remember what is the formula for finding the area of a triangle? Yes, Adam, right? Very good. Gosh, I'm going to make my day super easy today. You guys remember this. I love it. And if you don't, that's why we review right now. Area is equal to base times height divided by 2. Does anybody know why I divide by 2? Jesse?
Because 2 times of the triangle equals
Yeah, so we're cutting it in half, right? We're dividing it in half. It's 2 of them. Like, here's a rectangle, right? So if I cut this with my trusty handy dandy scissors, it's magic. Did you know math teachers can do magic? What did I just create? A right triangle. 2 triangles, right? So this is why we divide by 2, because it's half of it, right? So we started like this, and now we have 2. It's like, that's great. Okay, now, who can raise your hand and tell me what is the base of this triangle? What number represents the base? Esteban?
5.
5. So this is our base. What is the height? Nico?
8 centimeters.
8. What's wrong with 10? Why can't I use 10 as my height?
It's slanted.
It's slanted. Remember Miss Amelia was dying over there? So this is my height. All right. So why did I write the 10? Yes. Exactly. And we're going to do it for perimeter. But yes. So here we go. Area is equal to, my base is 5 times 8 divided by 2. Now, if you need your multiplication table from your agenda, have that out. Why not? Some of you have notebooks with the multiplication table in the back. If you need it, great. If you don't, great. Use what you need. So what's 5 times 8?
40.
40. Now, what's 40 divided by 2? 20. I love it. So this would give us, so this is 40 divided by 2, and then 40 divided by 2 is 20. And what are our units? Centimeters squared. And that would be the area of our triangle. Area of our triangle. Easy?
Yes.
I mean, it's a review. It's a review. All right. What if I draw like a Christmas tree? Let's see if a Christmas tree. Does that look like a Christmas tree? Oh my God. How many calls? All right, so that was 42. Sorry, I forgot to hit record. So this triangle was 6 by 6 by 12. And then I'm going to have to start the timer. All right. All right. Uno más. Uno más. One more triangle. Let's see. This one's going to be interesting to draw. So I draw a horizontal line. Okay, we start with a horizontal line. You might want to follow along. Now, I'm going to draw an obtuse angle. Does anybody remember what an obtuse angle is? Nico?
It's like far away.
far away. Okay, Adan, do you want to add to that?
Anything above 90 degrees.
Anything above 90 degrees. So is it like super small or super big?
Big.
Super big. So from this side, I'm going to draw an obtuse angle. So I'm going to open this pretty wide, like that. So you draw a line, and then you make this line kind of sticking, like, I can't stretch. We good? Okay. Now we're going to close this up to the best of our abilities. I might have to switch to pencil, just in case, you know. Wow, look at that. Wow, that's beautiful. Wow. And then if it doesn't meet, you kind of extend this one. And look, there you go. Okay, you can trace it. So this is an obtuse triangle because it has an obtuse angle. This one was called a right triangle, and this one's called an obtuse triangle. All right, we're going to say this is 7 inches, 15 inches, and 8 inches. Now, I'm sure I don't have to say this out loud, but whatever I write in my notebook, you're going to write in your notebook, okay? If you don't understand a number or can't see something, please let us know. We'll help you out. Sometimes my numbers kind of get squished. And remember, there's TVs everywhere, so find the TV that best works for you. Okay, did I give you the base?
Yes.
Yes. What's the base? 7. The base is like their feet. Like, where is this triangle standing up on? It's standing on 7. What is the height? 8's slanted. Trick question. Did I give you the height? No. Where would the height be, though?
Middle.
Not in the middle for this one. Does anybody know where the height would be on this one? Yep, it's on the side. It's on the outside. It's out here. Have you guys ever seen it out here? They usually draw dots here, and they might draw dots here. Because what do we need? We need a 90 degrees. So this one, when you have an obtuse triangle, it's like outside. It's weird. I'm going to say this is 6 inches. So add that to your notes. This would be your base, and this number is now your height. So this is your base, and this is your height. So you gotta draw it. You gotta draw even the little tiny lines, little dots. Whatever I draw, you draw. See the arrow if you need it. My notes are for you, so you understand them, and you can use it for your homework. All right, so area equals, what's my base? 7 times 6 divided by 2. All right, give you guys a couple of seconds. What's 7 times 6? Write it down. And then that number divided by 2. By 2. You need a multiplication table. Use it. If you use your fingers, perfect. What is 7 times 6? 42. Divided by 2. So 42, just in case you're like, wait, how do you divide by 2? All right, top number inside. Then you ask yourself, how many times does 2 go into 4? 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Remainder is 0. Bring down the 2. 2 goes into 2 one time. So that means that our area is equal to 21 inches squared. Are we okay with those 3 answers? 1, 2, 3. Okay, before we move on, can you tell me the perimeter of all of these triangles? So can you go back and tell me the perimeter of number 1, and the perimeter of number 2, and the perimeter of number 3? This is why I gave you all 3 numbers, because I knew I was going to ask you this question. So what's the perimeter of the first one? What am I going to do with these 3 numbers? Add them. So go ahead and add 8 plus 5 plus 10 and tell me. And then the second one, 6 plus 6 plus 12. And the third one. So tell me the perimeter now. Go back and tell me what is the perimeter, because you're going to do perimeter for homework. What is the perimeter of the first triangle? What's the perimeter of the second triangle? Last but not least, what's the perimeter of the third triangle? So perimeter, add. in your notebook. Love that. 6 plus 6 plus 12. Who wants to give me the perimeter for the first number 1? Esteban?
23.
23 centimeters. Very good. Okay, so 23. And then who would like to give me the perimeter for the second one? Alan? 24 feet. And then the last one? Vince, you have the last one?
30.
30. Very good. Good job. So on this one, I do not use the 6. And in this one, I do not use the 7. I only use the numbers outside. The 6 is your height and only used for your height. Nice. We're good? Okay, cool. All right, awesome. Now, Miss Lamelli thought she made copies for today. She was really prepared last week, but not this week. So, I don't have a worksheet for you. But, you know what I did notice? Did you all check Aries? Remember how that parallelogram worksheet didn't publish for you guys? So like 99% of you have it missing. I didn't put it red. I was being nice. But let me see. Let me show you. So we're going to do